Thank you for taking the time to look at CCP Interactive's digital lesson plans. Each ready-to-use resource is ideal for use on interactive whiteboards, projectors, tablets, and slates. For use on smartboards or any other brand of interactive whiteboard, our software is compatible with PC or Mac. Our highly interactive and engaging curriculum-based lesson plans inspire student interaction and are ideal for differentiated learning. Algebra, the second of 5 interactive digital lesson plans in the 5 Strands of Math series. Our 80-screen page interactive lesson features comprehensive interactive activities written to the NCTM, Common Core, and STEM standards. The 5 chapters start off with 2 screen pages of pre-assessment activities to see what your students already know about the current topic. Each screen page provides English and Spanish voiceover and text. This is great for ELL, English language learners, ESL, English as a second language learners, Spanish language learners, and Spanish as a second language learners. Every screen page also contains math tools to help your students comprehend and solve the activities on the screen. The calculator tool is the most popular math tool used in algebra. In the Teach the Skills section, we systematically break down the process of each topic so students can easily learn each concept. Each step is matched with a visual component and is self-paced for differentiated learning. The Learn the Skills section contains 8 screen pages of real-world word problem activities. Students can touch for solution to see how the answer was reached. Also, where required, we have included an imperial metric conversion to allow students to choose whether to answer the question in imperial or metric or both. The Practice the Skills section contains 3 screen pages of up to 45 drill problems that help students strengthen their procedural proficiency skills. Use the stopwatch or egg timer tools for added time drills. Every interactive lesson in our 5 Strands of Math series features the following activities: Memory Match Game, Board Game, Spinner Game, and Smart Response Comprehension Quiz available for Smart Notebook users. Thank you for seeing what's inside our 5 Strands of Math series digital lesson, Algebra.